Gagala na naman kami. Pupunta kami ng mall, which is yung sa Middle Hall. So, ayan guys, papunta na kami. Syempre, nakaayos na yan. O, diba? Nakaayos na yan guys. Before, hindi na ako mag-makeup kasi late naman na kami pupunta dun. So, see you guys!
I'd like to take a photo about you.
So, guys, nandito na kami sa
Wait, I was
Middle
chatting
Hall.
na lang. I was
Wait
chatting to
lang.
her.
Kaya ayoko nung guys kasi he-interrupts me.
Wow.
Nandito na kami sa may guys, Middle Hall naglalakad na kami. Ayan, yung aking tube bumababa na rin. Ang gulo-gulo no ng aking video. Ang sinabi. Diba? Pakita ko sa inyo yung niya, tsura ng Middle Hall, yung mall nila dito.
You go Apple Store first?
Ganito siya guys. Yan.
Wait, look.
Yan, pahaba yan dyan. Uy, look! iba yung tinuturo ni Habi, yung mga sweets. Ayan. Yan yung mga tinuturo
Buy
niya.
chocolate sticks, thanks to Abby. You're buying?
Habi, I saw something. Look.
What did you see?
There, oh.
Sephora? You looking Sephora person?
Yeah. Later. Where are we going then?
You go to Apple Store first?
Apple Store daw kami guys. Yan siya. Mahaba yan siya. Tapos may pahaba pang ganun. Ito, Habs, my favorite. Ito, gustong-gusto ko pumunta dito guys kasi may kasya ako dyan. Yan, may mga size kasi ako dyan. Pero yung ibang mga store nila dito is wala akong kasya.
Don't you
So-
do my combo?
So, papunta kami sa may sa may
Put it
Apple. Eh, nandito na pala yung Apple Store. May bibilhin daw si Habi sa akin. Naging mabait siya. Birthday month ko kasi. Kaya may bibilhin daw siya sa akin. Birthday month ng kanyang wifey.
I got the Metaquest I got rid of.
Oh, yeah.
I've never even used the
Yeah,
Metaquest.
Vision Pro. Ayan, Vision Pro. Ayan. That's the small one, right?
This is the one that we were looking at.
This is cool, Hubs. Look. That's so quick.
You don't try, you don't get anything new.
Magla-lunch na kami guys dito sa may Oasis. Madaming dito, parang food court nila dito. Ayan, may Fridays. Parang anuhan ko na to dati. Na-videohan ko na to dati guys. May Tycoon. Thai. May Wagamama. Carlicious. Maki Ramen. Ayan. Oh, they have the Maki Ramen, Hubs. I like ramen. Dapat kailangan magkasundo kaming dalawa to sa pagkain. Yeah, Sizzis. Meron silang Sizzis. Then Guanas.
It's more like the Barbarita.
Frankie and then what is it? Ito pala yung ito yung parang food court pala. Nandito kami sa taas, yung mga restaurant sa taas. Ayan, slim chickens. Subarb. What's that subarb house?
Suburb restaurant?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's open. Looks like they're still building it. Maybe.
Yeah.
Is that why that pink balls around it?
Maganda tong pinili ko na seat. Ayan o. Ganda siya. Pero parang lang to sa labas. Pero aesthetic. Yun o. So, ito yung aking order na ramen. Kay Habi yan. Tapos yung chicken karaage at saka takoyaki. Tapos yung mga drinks namin. Gutom na yan si Habi. Kain tayo guys. Ang laki. Sobrang laki. Tignan mo. Tapos ito din yung kay Habi. Kaya nakakabusog to for sure. Ang sarap. Sabaw pa lang panalo na guys. Ang sarap guys. Promise ang sarap niya. Ito, try din natin tong takoyaki niya. 7 pounds to. 7.9.
Great, thank you.
Very nice.
Wake up in my side.
Am I not allowed?
No.
It's spicy.
No.
Ang sarap. Okay, tara dito guys. Sa Bershka. Andito lang kasi yung mga size ko guys, teens. Mga ng teens. Mga size ng teens. Mga pang summer na. Uso na naman yung yung wide leg. Diba? Kaso malalaki eh. Yung iba. Cute. Uso na naman yung ganito. Ganito na style. 17 pounds. Oh, diba yung parang Aladdin. Okay, let's go here. Mag-ano ako, kukuha ako ng hair, ano ba yun, no? Protector, hair protector. Kuha tayo ng heat protector. Huwag yung isa, yung pende yung dating gamit ko, kaso medyo mahal siya. So, this one.
Yeah, these ones are my favourite. That one's a bit personal. You've got like
Red one.
that isn't it? You've got all
Oh, yeah.
these shades. You've got these that are like stained, so these stain your
Yeah,
lips.
it's this one, real done.
Yeah.
It's stained, but they have
Yeah.
like this. Like
Not in
packaging.
that one, yeah. These are still like your lip tints, but they're not like your stains.
But this one-
Yeah, not that colour though, because that one's a bit lighter.
Oh, yeah. It's a bit light. Why are you laughing?
Oh,
Is there a green one next?
Yeah, I want like this one so it's easy to carry, right?
yeah.
This one is stains.
So this one less of a stain, but more like your kind of pink.
Hey, nag-shopping na naman siya ng Sephora. I'm tired already. Come sit. Is it? Mga bagong labas. Mga ganito ngayon yung uso na color. Diba? Dalhin nyo yung apam nyo para may tagabit-bit kayo. Ayan o, Stradivarius. Ang ganda, ano nila, puting-puti. Ano, Stradivarius. Ang laki na itong mga store dito. Cutesy. May kasya kaya tayo dito. Ang dami, ang gaganda. Pera na lang kurang. Shorts, akala ko skirt. Shorts. Pek short. Dito tayo sa may ano, polka dots. Ah, may kasya ata ako dito. Ano to? Small. Look at their small house. Oh, oh, this is cute. Linen. Gusto ko mag polka dots. Ano? Simple lang siya. Parang noon-noon, di ba? Binabalik ulit nila, polka dots. Tapos yung mga pang summer na mga clothes. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda kasi ng ano niya, ng tela niya. Yung quality. Ito pala yung mga parang party-party ng mga bata, oh. Ano, oh, nagka-club sa city. Ayan, mga ganyan yung ano nila, suot nila. Espanya. Look up house.
It's got the World Cup's on in the next few weeks, right?
What's
The World
that?
Cup, football World Cup.
Oh.
All the different countries that
Oh, yeah, yeah.
qualified at least. So you'll see Spain, Brazil, England, France.
Yeah. Cute. Tapos yung uso ngayon, yung parang ito, parang mga malaala din siya. Yan. Ito. Yan. Yan ang ganito. Nag-uuso na naman. Dubai chocolate ice cream. Let's try. You try it.